One of the great challenges of our time, and the truth in all of history, is how do we deal with the diversity of different people, different communities, different cultures, different countries, each one with their own opinions, with their own attitudes, with their own prejudices. How can we coexist and even find harmony within that diversity? The truth is, it's a lot more challenging than we may even imagine, as we see. Look at the wars, the violence, the injustices, the inhumanities that have been perpetrated in the name of I know what the truth is and you don't. Look at the venom, the destructive rhetoric, sometimes worse than that, when people don't know how to even disagree in a civil fashion. Is there a formula? Is there a secret to not just coexisting, but to actually finding a synchronicity, a synergy that's more than the sum of the parts? Chanukah and its flames tell us the story of harmony within diversity. We light each night another flame. So they're separate flames, but they all add up to one menorah, one candelabra. Each flame is made up of many components. There's a wick, there's the oil, and there's the fire that it creates. And when you look at the fire itself, the flame, you see different colors. A bluer color closer to the wick, reddish yellow, whitish, all part of one flame, a rainbow. And the flame is rising. It's a big mistake to think that diversity equals divisiveness. It's not true. It's the exact opposite. Beauty is defined by diversity. What's a beautiful face? Beautiful eyes, beautiful ears, a nose, a complexion. It's a combination of different things that come together in the right order. What's a beautiful song? Not one note. Beautiful piece of art, not one color. Many different colors, many different notes, played in the right harmony, and you have beauty. Nature itself is the best teacher. Nature. The billions and trillions of different, species, definitely in the billions, in the millions, and each species made up of so many parts. It's a human body, between 35 and 75 trillion cells in a healthy body all come together and work together, like a symphony created by an orchestra. So what's the secret? The secret is to be a flame. A flame means it's not about you. When ego comes into play, then divisiveness can lead then diversity can easily lead to divisiveness. But when you have humility, we have a sense that there's something greater than you are, a flame that's rising, a transcendence, then you recognize that the other, that actually may even disagree with me, can complement me. And we all need each other. We all serve an indispensable role in a larger cosmic composition. So the message of Chanukah is one of unity and community, but unity does not mean singularity, does not mean cloning. It means finding the harmony within the diversity. That each of us has our unique flame, but the flames come together. Look at flames. When you have them join, they don't conflict. They join together, they lick each other, they kiss each other, they embrace, and they become a greater flame. So on this Chanukah, reach out to someone, especially someone you may disagree with. Reach out, have a conversation, make an attempt. Could be a family member, could be a stranger, could be someone online, but reach out. Try that exercise. Put aside for a moment your conviction and just listen. We don't have to disagree. but listen to each other. Recognize that the person you're speaking to is a flame just as you are. That's how we begin to heal and mend and create the harmony within the diversity of our planet. Happy Chanukah.